Hey guys, also Scarlet now here, and welcome back to a brand new question video today. So, yes, as you can see, I have Gizmo here with me today. If you look closely, you can see his cute little black nose. So, today I'll be asking you guys another albino animal related question. So let's get started. Okay, which albino animal do you guys think is the most beautiful one of all and the rarest? Okay, is it the albino gorilla or an albino cheetah? If you guys don't know what albino is or what it means, or if you're not so sure if these albino animals are real or not, then make sure to go to my YouTube channel and check today's thumbnail and let me know in the comments below what you guys think is the rarest and beautiful albino animal of all. Okay. If you guys have an answer already, then make sure to put your answers in the comments down below. But just in case, if the comments are turned off because of YouTube and COPA, as usual, and like always, non-stop, 24/7, each and every day, it's annoying. It gets me mad, upset, and sad. The reason why it gets me sad, because whenever the comments are turned off, I don't know what your guys' answers are, and the reason why it makes me mad and upset, because YouTube and COPA think it's so funny just to turn off the comments every time I make a video. It's rude, it's mean, it's disrespectful, it's irresponsible. No. It's, they do it without my permission. It's not cool. And it's also not fair, because, well, each and every one of us on YouTube that has like YouTube channels and all, we like to be free and make videos of our choices and all. And we like to have the comments open and turn on for everyone to make their good opinions about the videos or answering the questions that the person asked on the video, or all that stuff. And YouTube is also a place where everyone can make creative, fun videos, even with or without a fancy intro or special effects, background music, And YouTube is like the biggest area to make a lot of videos. And it's known to be that since like day one when it first started. Yeah, and people like to make a lot of creative videos. Like cute and funny animal videos, gaming videos, animation, reaction videos, what else, trying to think, VR chat videos, live stream videos, unboxing videos, movie reviews, and makeup tutorials, funny pranks, cooking, and baking videos. If you guys think I missed something, let me know in the comments below. But anyways, if YouTube and Copa keeps turning off the comments every time, then I'll have no choice but to give YouTube and Copa both a 1.5 star review online, and nobody likes to get a 1.5 star review online. So Copa, can you please stop turning off the comments every time I make a video? Please and thank you. It would make me very happy. Okay? But anyways, if the comments do tend to turn off, then make sure to go to one of these 4 links in the description down below, or go to Discord to answer his question. I will always be putting my Discord name in the description down below, just in case, if you guys are new to my channel, want to friend chat with me, answer his question, excuse me, or want to see more videos of my cute cats, however you guys like. I'm not forcing you, but just in case, if you guys want to, it's your choice. No pressure or anything. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good sport. But yeah, if you guys aren't able to download these, if you guys don't have one of these websites or apps, then make sure to do these few steps first. Step 1, download them first. Step 2, get everything situated. Like a profile, your name, your info, everything. Then step 3, you guys can answer this question. If you guys aren't able to download these apps, then make sure to click the links that are in the description down below, just so it can be a little bit faster and easier for you guys. Again, I'm not forcing you, but just in case, if you guys want to, it's your choice. No pressure or anything. So, if you guys want to see more videos with Gizmo, Gadget, or Alexa, then make sure to hit the like button, go subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications, and don't forget to click on this icon to go to my question playlist to watch my previous videos, in case if you guys are new to my channel, or this is your first time seeing my cute cats on my channel. So anyways, me and Gizmo have to get going. You guys are awesome. We love y'all. And see you guys next time. Bye!